Hello, how to evaluate with a calculator? This is 5 power 2 minus 4 power 2. Now, if you have a squared minus b squared, this equals a minus b times a plus b. So this will be 5 minus 4 times 5 plus 4. So we have 5 minus 4. This will give you 1. 5 minus 4 again, you have 1. 5 minus 4, you have 1. 5 minus 4, you have 1. Here 5 plus 4, you have 9. 5 plus 4, you have 9. 5 plus 4, you have 9. And 5 plus 4, you have 9. We can express this as 1 times. Here is 9. Let's factor out the 9 from here, so this can give us 1 times. I factor out 9. This will be 9 divides 9, 1. 9 divides 9 again, 1. 9 divides 9, 1. 9 divides 9, we have 1. So this gives us 1 times 9 times 1. So from here, we have this and this, which repeats itself. So this will give us 1 power 2 times 9. And this simply means we have 1 power 2 times 9 is 3 power 2. Now, if you have a power c times b power c equals a times b to the power of c. So this means we are going to have 1 times 3 to the power of 2. And this simply means we are going to have 1 times 3, that is 3, 1 times 3 again. We have 3, 1 times 3. We have 3, 1 times 3. We have 3 power 2. So if you have 3 power 2, this equals, we have, this is 3,300, or let's make it 3,000 plus 3. It's 3 power of 2. So if you add these two, you have this. Now, if you have a plus b power 2, this equals a squared plus b squared plus 2 times ab. And from here, this is my a and this is my b. So a squared will be, we have 3,000 squared plus b squared will be, we have 3 power 2 plus 2 times 3,000 times 3. So that is a squared plus b squared plus 2 times ab. Now let's take the squares of this. 3,000 squared, 3 squared is 9. I have 9. This is 6 zeros, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Plus this is 3 times 3. 3 times 3, we have 9. 3 times 3, we have 9. 3 times 3, we have 9. 3 times 3 again, we have 9. 3 times 3, we have 9. 3 times 3, we have 9. So 3 times 3, We have 9, 3 times 3. We have 9, 3 times 3. We have 9. So let's add up together. So this is 9. This is 18. 8 carry over 1. Okay, 10. 10 plus 9, that is 19. 19 plus 9, that is 28. 8 carry over 2 and add here. That is 11 plus 9, that is 9. 19, 9 carry over 1 add here. That is 10. 9889. So I think there's a mistake here. So because this is 28, you add 2 here, 11 plus 9, that is 20. 0 carry over 2 and add here, that is 11. Right? So now for this other one here, we have plus 2 times 3,000. That is 6,000 times 3, 3, 3. So let's do that. We have 3, 3, 3. We have 6,000. So let's multiply that out. 0 times 3. We have 0, 0 times 3. 0, 0 times 3. We have 0. 0 times 3 again. We have 0. 0 times 3. We have 0. 0 times 3. We have 0. So 0 times 3. We have 0. 0 times 3. We have 0. 0 times 3. We have 0. 6 times 3. We have 18. 8 carry over 1. 6 times 3 again. We have 18 plus 1, 19. 9 carry over 1. 6 times 3, 18. 18 plus 1, 19. We have 19. So let's add up together. This is 0, 0, 0, 8, 9, 19. So at the end of it all, we are going to add all this together. This is 9 million. This is 110,889. And this is 1,998,000. So we have 9 million. This is 1,998,000. 98,000. This is 110,000. And 89. So we can add up this together. So you add this together, you have 9, you have 8, you have 8, you have 8. This is 10. You have 0 and carry over 1 add here. 11, 1 carry over 1 add here. So this becomes 10. 10 plus 1, 11. So final answer is 111,0889. So this is 11,108,889. So that is it, guys. Without the use of calculator, we have evaluated this. So this is how you can do it. Thank you, and don't forget to subscribe and share this video to your friends. Thank you and goodbye.